Hello, this is Tech Perfect, and this is example of how you can talk from PC to phone in Trango.
In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Trango in both the computer and the phone devices. And I'm gonna show you what features Trango have. Now first, I'm gonna show you how to use Trango. So as you can see, there's something here called Android and here it's called Windows. Windows is the one that I am speaking from, and Android is my Android phone. So if you wonder how this works, this Android phone is now connected to the internet, in in the lane. It doesn't have to get internet access, but I'm gonna give you an example in a screenshot from my phone on how this works. So like you see here down there, it says that make audio and video calls or transfer data without going through the internet. Users on the same network lane with this page opened will be displayed here. So this means both devices should open this web page, webtrango.io. So that's how it works. This is the condition to connect to each other. So I think it can be 3 or 4 more devices if you wanna connect to many devices at the time. Okay, now we try to go to Android and try to talk from the phone this time, and you will see how that it will work, and it will record the voice from Android to PC. Okay, now I go and try it from the phone only. I'm gonna mute myself here, and you should see this desktop audio works. This means the phone is working, and this means is my microphone of my PC working. So I'm gonna stop this one.
So this is it. It works, and it's really slow, but it depends on your internet. And you can see that the voice can be recorded too. Now I stop this. Same thing here. We have Trango opened in the web Trango.io, and as you can see it says Android. You can change the name if you want, and here it say new convo. I think I called my Windows new convo, but whatever. You can see this computer, and it says this is the website Trango.io. This does it, and it shows my Android. Hello, this is Tech Perfect, and this is example of how you can talk from PC to phone in Trango. Now we try something else. I'm gonna try a test. I'm gonna try to test something. So if we close this here in the phone, yes, and we keep the Wi-Fi of the same lane, you can see here it's not here. This proves what the phrase down there tells us. It tells us both should be in this website.
And now time for some subreddit from Trango. They really did the good work. They are gonna make Trango towers in some villages, and this means people can connect without internet access using Trango, which is very interesting project, and it's open source, and it really needs your help, guys. Anyways, this is it. This is a call for the open software lovers and for those who like to go deeply in the technology world. I hope you enjoyed today's video. There will be a video next week, so please wait me until then. Goodbye.